There is a lot of hydrogen in our atmosphere, about 60 times more than there is oxygen. But we don't usually notice it because it's not really reactive. That is, until now. A new study says that the amount of atmospheric hydrogen is rising, which may be a problem for the climate. The more hydrogen in the air, the higher up it goes. And at some point, it reaches a tipping point where it starts reacting with water vapor in the atmosphere. The result is that you get more clouds and also more rain. And while that might sound like a good thing, more rain, we're talking about a 15 to 20% increase in global precipitation. That's enough to disrupt the climate system and cause more extreme weather events. But it's not all bad news. More hydrogen in the atmosphere also means more hydrogen in the oceans, which could help marine plants grow and absorb carbon dioxide from the air. So maybe we can all breathe a little easier, at least until the weather gets weird again. For more on this, check out the link below.